So hey guys, this is one of my first ever Roblox videos. So I have done a ton. So I don't really know when it's gonna go up because my mom's doing it. All the survivors record it. So we're gonna play some Roblox. Let's do this. Let's do this. I also been playing tons of games. So I just like so I'm gonna play some disasters. Natural disaster survival. Now so is that maybe soon I'm gonna have an actual dinosaur sometime. Soon. Somewhat soon. Maybe we're going to have a weather. That's how that's good. I don't know how to buy robots. I have to work on that. I literally can't. This person is like as big as like Neil Armstrong or something. This dude looks like a basketball player. So, there's two disasters, how this works. Two disasters, there's spider. It's basic. There's acid rain, tsunami, flash flood, and thunderstorm, and blizzard, and sandstorm. So, here. Spider-Man. If you look over here, Spider-Man. I don't even know that person's name is pronounced Spider-Man. Probably after and probably when it's school time, I'm probably only gonna upload like not even every day, maybe. But I'm probably gonna do like one a week. I am going to film a ton on the weekends. But like then it just gets uploaded at different times. And also I will soon play some more of this stuff, and I'm also going to maybe play it with my sister and brother. So subscribe and like that bell. And also like and hit that bell down below if you want to get notified about my amazing videos. And also, if you didn't see my last ones, yeah, I had some weird videos. So, dude, just go faster. What the heck is the fire? What the heck is this fire people speaking of? People speak of the fire, but I don't see a fire. Where is the fire? Where is the fire? Fire! Fire! 50! I'm bad. I only been having this for like a week now, and I've been filming tons of videos on it. I'm also going to have some vlogs. Oh, nice. Great. It's nice that I came up here. I'm very safe up here. I'm actually pretty safe. Hey, Dad. My dad just got back from... What did he get back from? Hey, my kid. That person up there is just doomed. What? Oh, wait. I'll never die. I'm indestructible. Nee. I'm dead. I died. I physically cannot get off here because look what's under me. Fire. Look what's behind me. Fire. And if I don't burn down, I probably gotta die. No. I need mom's water. No, I didn't die. Nice. No. Right there. Oh my god. I survived, dude. Just look at that thing. Everything's in black. That's a happens when fire burns. Never play with fire. I'm a trained professional. And this person is Neil Armstrong. This person is as tall as literally Neil Armstrong. That's not what we said. That's what we said. Ben. Yeah, I am recording, but Ben's over there. Do you want to play some disasters? Do you want to play some disasters with me?
Cooper, Poppy has something. Go get it.
It's not my tool.
It literally is. Look right there.
So I just... I can't, because I died twice, and sorry technically.
So, oh my god.
Poppy?
Poppy?
Oh, it's a tsunami. People up there now probably die, like everybody died except the people up there. Look at the people on top of that. Oh, that's really smart. Okay. Let's go at the end of the dock. Never mind. You will die at the end of the dock. Only 2 people survived. Nice. Nice, dude, nice. And you still have somewhat bad internet because you have 2. This person is Neil Armstrong. That looks like my brother. My brother's skin. Well, that thing's just creepy. As a Roblox player, that's just creepy. Only 2 people survived. Oh, it's Ducky. It's Chicken Man. It's Egghead. Get it? Because he's a chicken. I hope I have my microphone on. Probably don't even hear me if I don't. I probably won't even upload this video. I'm not gonna go to the top because I don't think it's gonna be like flash flood or something. I'm gonna be in the hay bale. I'm a dinosaur, so I don't have any relatives, so. So, but that. Dude, this person's stupid. Sorry. I have some problems. Oh, meet yourself. Find something. It's gonna be interesting. Watch guys. And how can I watch guys and be insulted? I think I can see through stuff. What? What the heck? How did I die? Sorry about that. Let me just get in a good spot. That's beautiful. People dying. I'm just getting a glass of milk because this is supposed to walk. And also, I'm still going to have a survival series in Minecraft. I think there's also Skyblocks. It'll be tough. Because hopefully I have luck. Hopefully it's not acid rain, because then I have to be in the middle in that place. If it's acid rain, this game is just easy. It's probably not gonna be acid rain. I don't really know why I said that. Ravager. This person doesn't even look like a Ravager. Ravagers. These persons look exactly the same. They're like brothers. Or these sisters. That is the question. I'm with this person. Let's press the button. There's a button up here. Volcano. No. Go. I have the best spot. The volcano will never kill me. Cause I have the best spot in the game. I'm gonna be on the volcano. Simple. On the volcano. Will you marry me, volcano? Will you? Nice. Cooper. Nice. Yeah. That's a tall tower. Oh, why didn't I be on the top? Look how safe the top is. Yeah, it's so hard for the volcano to reach the top. But what if the ocean collapses? I don't think they thought about that when they got there. Why are people going up there if this thing will collapse? This thing must collapse eventually. Oh, that thing like that. Look. Then guys, deny. That person is literally Neil Armstrong. Oh yeah, people survived. And none of them are me. Will you marry me? Nope. I'm gonna get to the top and push the button. Wait. In the thing, it actually, most people die. Like, every time I have friends over, and they always die in a rocket ship. If it's thunderstorm, you have a chance, somewhat of a chance. I'm gonna go into it. If it's bad, I will go out. What? I would have went out. I would have. something like that.